In the run-of-the-mill life, not everyone can spare even a little time for his body. Often due to working in a chair for several hours and due to wrong lifestyle of the person, its effect is seen on health. Especially its bad effect is seen on the stomach of a person. There will be many such people around you whose stomach is unformed, and you will feel strange to see those people. Now you think, when you feel like seeing this, then how much shame those people must have faced. If there is such a person present in your house too and you want to keep that person fit, then today we are going to give you information about some such things through this article, which will not cause any harm to you. And all these things will be easily available in your home. You can reduce your obesity with these things. Almonds will prove to be very beneficial for those people who have obesity problems. Almonds contain very good amount of healthy fat. Almond mono and poly-saturated fat overeating also protects you from almonds. If you consume it, you feel less hungry. Along with heart-related diseases, you also do not feel hungry for a long time due to the high fiber present in almonds. Beans. If you use different types of beans in your diet every day, then it reduces your belly fat. In addition to this, your muscles are also strengthened by the consumption of beans, and your digestive system is also better if you consume beans. If you do not feel hungry for a long time, then you feel full, due to which you stay away from the consumption of anything outside. Beans have a good source of soluble fiber, and this fiber is available on your belly, shows impact on fat. Celery. If you want to reduce your belly fat and stay away from many diseases, then for this you should eat celery. If you consume celery, then it reduces your belly fat because celery has less vitamin C, calories, calcium and fiber-rich ingredients are present which help in reducing your belly fat if you eat. If you drink celery water first, it helps in digestion. Cucumber. Most people use cucumber in the summer season to quench their thirst and keep the body fresh. If you eat cucumber, it also reduces your belly fat. Cucumber contains 96% water, and cucumbers with it fiber, vitamins and minerals are also found in plenty in it. If you eat a plate of cucumbers daily, then the toxins of your body are eliminated. Tomatoes. Tomato is a very easy home remedy to reduce obesity. Tomato contains a compound called 9-oxo-ODA. This additive reduces lipids from your blood and it helps in reducing your belly fat. Yajic incorporated in tomatoes also relieves you from many diseases associated with obesity.